start packing because we leave in approximately 12 days or 10 days, something like that. And I've sort of cleaned out my closet, so I have to now drop all this stuff up at Goodwill and go to Toyota and Concord and drop off my car so they can fix my broken window that it's been like that for like a while now. Ugh. Literally the day before I was supposed to turn in my car, they broke my vent window in the back. I don't know if you could see it, but it's broken. They broke into my car, so I have to do that at 1. And I just decided, why not take you guys with me to prepare for this moving across the country. I decided it would probably be a great vlog, I would say, and also just kind of to have content for you guys. I know this is actually very exciting. I know I love watching these YouTube videos of people moving and the process and all that. Honestly, it's helped me like ease my mind so I'm not too stressed out moving. So hopefully you guys like this video too. Dropped off everything at Goodwill. Very easy. It took less than 5 minutes. And now we're on our way to Concord, and I actually really do want some coffee. I'd rather buy coffee over there and show up early to get my window fixed, and we might go to Home Depot after. We'll see. Running late. It's 12:53 and I'm supposed to be there by 1. So hopefully I get there on time. I hate making people wait and I hate being late. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Right now, so we just got my window fixed. It's perfect. And now we are also at Home Depot. So now I'm just gonna get about 6 boxes, maybe 2 small ones and 4 big ones, for books and stuff like that, or anything heavy plates, because I don't want to use big boxes for that since we don't have much and I don't want things to weigh it down. Other than that, after this, we're probably gonna go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Macy's to get like a carry-on for my boyfriend to have some clothes to fly out with. And yeah, let's see what they have at Home Depot. Able to find the large box for the TV, the living room, the small one for our room, then a couple medium and small boxes, so I think we're good to go. window fixed. I got boxes from Home Depot. I also got a carry-on luggage for my boyfriend since he doesn't have one. And I'm gonna go home, change, have some lunch because I'm starving, and start packing. So that's gonna be quite a mess. Yeah. Oh, thank you. So this is the luggage that we're using. On the left, I'm most likely going to put t-shirts and underwears, and then on the other side I'll put probably all the jeans and shorts. So I'm going to try and see if all of this fits here. You can see absolutely everything that you've packed through colors. I also like to color coordinate everything, and also put from no sleeves to short sleeves to long sleeves, which are the dress shirts. But then all of these are just t-shirts, and then I have one tank top. I thought I was going to be able to put underwears and socks in here, but I don't. Might be able to put a couple underwears here, so I might have to put underwears and socks and essentials that he may need on this side. And then also, yes, you are allowed to have a carry-on, but you are also allowed to have a duffel bag, personal bag. So usually when packing a lot of items, I like to pack my main clothing items, and then here I like to add the shoes or bulkier items that take up too much space that I can use on the carry-on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing. Now I did the other side. So we have, these are all underwear, and then there's socks in there. It's all mix and match in the little hole there. And then beach shorts, because we are going to Charleston, and then we are visiting family in Florida. So we're definitely going to probably go to the beach and be on a boat. So we'll definitely need those two. I found another tank top, which is great because I thought he did not have any more tank tops. My boyfriend loves khaki shorts. So I packed all three colorways, light, medium, dark. And then his favorite tie-dye blue shorts. And then now we are going to pack jeans that he usually wears and other shorts. I think those are like 2 more shorts in there that he really does love for jeans. Pack it in the duffel bag, and then he can put his toothbrush, doesn't have to worry about that. He just might put just his flip-flops and shoes here, but the duffel bag is pretty much set. And then everything that's left, like all these pants and I believe it's just on the drawers, some miscellaneous like sweatpants and sweatshorts that he doesn't usually wear, and his work jeans. I'm gonna put it in our let me see what's down here. Okay, so down here he has some aprons, and I think that's a onesie. He like only wears it when it gets really cold, so yeah, he doesn't really need that. So everything in the drawers, which is not much, and the pants, his shorts, he doesn't really gravitate towards, and I would say all these shirts and maybe a couple shoes. I'm just gonna put them in one of these luggages, fit it to the best of my ability, and whatever doesn't fit is just gonna go into the pod. But I want to bring as much clothes as possible, just so we're not like, you know, thinking shit, we should have packed this to take. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm gonna pack all the clothes in the biggest luggage we have, and we'd be good to go. I'm gonna finish off here and I'll be right back. Alright, so we made some progress. I took all of those shirts, mainly t-shirts, and a couple of long sleeves, but however, just switch this over a little bit. Since we're going to the East Coast and we're going to Florida, it's much warmer. So like these blazers and long sleeves and jackets and so forth, like I'm not gonna take it. It's very bulky and we're not gonna use it, so I might as well take it to the pod. But this is the progress of the luggages. Everyone has their OCD preference. For me is color coordination and Marie Kondo style. Like this is my biggest pet peeve. So all the t-shirts from white, beige, gray, blue, green, red, orange, and then purple with black. And then also on this side, I packed white shirts, and then these are the dress shirts that he might use or not, I don't know. And then I packed jeans, his work jeans, so we have 4. It's empty here because when I do laundry, there's going to be 2 more black pair of jeans that he goes to work with, so I can fit it here. And then 2 more shorts, and that's it. And the reason why I'm putting his work clothes here is because if the pod doesn't show up on the 20th and he goes to work on the 24th, we're gonna have problems. He needs his uniform, so definitely want to bring his uniform on the plane to make sure we secured it. And that's that. Now I still have to pack these jeans. They did not fit here like I had planned, or the rest of these shorts over there, but this is all that's left, and I'm just going to put it in most likely one of these laundry baskets and take it like that on the pod. I'm going to finish packing. I'm not going to record my clothes, or I might, I don't know, and I'll show you what the end result is. Didn't think I was going to record, but all of this on the bed right now is my clothes. And if you look over here in my closet, I just have a bunch of jackets, which is gonna definitely go on the pod. The only jacket I'm most likely gonna take is my Calvin Klein jean jacket. And then everything that you see here in the closet is things that I don't think I'm gonna wear. I am gonna be with family, so I don't want to be like too revealing. So I felt like these dresses were gonna be a bit more revealing, and I'm not gonna wear my old dress shirts. Like I'm just keeping them just in case, but I might donate them in Charleston. I'll show you guys what I have so far. Let's see. So on this side, I have 2 out of 3 jeans. One of my jeans is dirty, so when I wash it, I have space for it. So it looks a little flimsy, but I'm leaving space for that pair of jeans. Then I have 4 different shorts, and then one is a skirt. And then here I have maxi dress and a t-shirt dress and a 2-piece for dinner, and then another dress for dinner. And then on the other side, I do have all of my tops that I'm going to be wearing, and then I do have a couple of maxi dresses here. I have 2 maxi dresses and another like daytime dress. So that is what I have on my carry-on. Everything you see in the bed, hopefully I can pack and take it with everything that's left in my closet except the sweaters, and take it on this big boy. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.